Okay, I woke up and it was raining. So that's fun, isn't it? But anyway, I'm actually going to camp. I'm going to camp. I'm not going to a camp, but I'm going to a campsite. Because school's over and, I actually went to school on, the last day, so that was fun. Anyway, I need a sugar club. I'll just buy a sugar box at, I don't know his name, store, actually. I'm just gonna go buy it at this. I'm gonna buy it at this store, so, yeah. Guys, I'll be back. I'm just gonna buy something at the store real quick. Put on my rain boots, and I'll feed you guys when I come back. Okay, so let's head to the store. Let's go. I'm at the store, so let's go in. Hi. Yeah, hi. Oh, hi there. I'm just gonna check a box. Oh, why are you getting a sugar box? Oh, I'm just gonna go on a vacation. Yeah. Ooh, I'll take a pink one. Take a pink one. Okay. Do I need anything else? I mean, oh yeah, I'm taking the dogs with me. No, I don't need the time. I might need candle. No, I'll bring. Ooh, I'll take pink candles. 5 is enough. And I'll just take one bookshelf. Yeah. So I got. You know what? I actually don't know your name. What's your name? Oh, my name's David. Oh, hi, David. Hi. Anyway, can I know your name? Sure, my name's Moon. Yeah. Ooh, that's a nice name. Yeah. Anyway, I'm going camping for 2 weeks, which is amazing, actually. Anyway, I've bought a bookshelf, 5 pink candles, and 1 chocolate box. How much is that? Okay, that'll be about $20. $20? Yep. Okay. $20. Okay. Can I take money? Of course. Okay, let me just enter my PIN. Let's get the money. I am now home. Oh, right. I've got my money and coins, but I need to get ready. I don't think I'm gonna shower. I'm just gonna park, so let's go in. I'm just gonna pack, so I'm gonna put this in my room. Oh, no. Oops. I'm gonna put this stuff in here. I'll take the mocha. I'll take my lighter to light the candles. I think. Okay, no, I need my toothbrush. And I'll take 11 of these. No, I think I'll take a towel. Put this in there. And I'm gonna finish packing and I'll get back to you later. I finished packing, now I'm gonna feed the dogs. They get 4 each, obviously. And I'll give mittens. No, not mittens. God damn it, this is really hard. 2. There we go. Okay, let's feed Sana. Sana does not want to eat anything. I'm kind of getting worried about that. I'm gonna get pepper and salt. Their foods. Here you go. Oh, sit. Okay, yes. I'll put that right there. Anyway, I am going to take the dogs to the campsite. Guys, anyway, I think I'm done, so I'm just gonna pack up this and like get in my car and take the dogs to the thing. Ooh, wait. Let's do that. I'm gonna go into. I'm gonna put this stuff in the car and I'm gonna get you guys in the car. So put this stuff in here. Alright, you know, I need to lock the house. Okay. And I called, my friend Ella to look after Sona. Anyway, let's get you guys in the car. Let's go, guys. Come on, guys. Okay, they're in the car. Now let's go. Hi, guys. I hope you enjoyed this roleplay. I know it's short, but like, if I post longer videos, then it takes over my storage, and it takes a few days for me to post. So that's why. Also, you guys are probably wondering where I'm going. It's not a country. It's just a little campsite. It's gonna be out of town. Pretend like out of town, but it's like actually in the map. But like in the roleplay, it's gonna be out of town. And the campsite is called Lakewise Campsite. And yeah. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I will see you in the next video. Bye!